So it's really beautiful day in my garden. Today is Saturday, so I am going to show you guys what's going on in my beans, my pole beans. So what I did on my trellis, my DIY trellis for my beans. My trellis, you can see in my at the back, that's from my canopy that from our wedding 3 years ago. So it broke, then I'm using the frame as my trellis. So I'll show you more. So this canopy, it can extend more, but I fit in just enough for my pole beans. So as you see, my pole beans is climbing up on this canopy, the DIY canopy that I made. This canopy is broken, so I use the frame to guide my pole beans to climb this way up. So this is the other one canopy I have a pole beans at the back there. As you see, I have celery and broccoli that I harvested, but it's growing a little bit of broccoli here, so that's why I don't pull everything out. So here it will help covers my celery in a really sunny day. So I'm gonna go in and I'll show you how my pole beans climb up. So this trellis here, I got it from my father-in-law. So it's because pole beans like to climb up high, so I help them to climb on this canopy that I made for them, so they have enough room to climb. And yeah, this will be very exciting for my pole beans.